Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Danielle. Welcome to the family. Welcome to Oak Island. Welcome to a week in my life. I am finally on a freaking vacation for the first time this summer, and it is the end of July, which is rare for me because usually I'm at the beach 24/7. But I am here on my mom's side of the family. We're at my mom's house here in Oak Island, and I am severely burnt already, feet and all. But it is our first kind of like technical day. We all got here yesterday, so come along for this trip.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go.
What is it?
It's a rhino. Well, it was supposed to be a rhino horse.
Okay.
I said unicorn.
Okay.
I'm like, oh my god, I gotta go. I don't want to hear your dog in my thing ever again.
So what was her guess?
What was Caitlin's guess?
Unicorn.
That's pretty good. Okay.
Haley, where are we going?
To the beach.
Where are we going?
To the beach.
Where are we going? What are you doing tomorrow? Out of a what? A perfectly good airplane. That's what you're doing. Out of a perfectly good airplane.
Don't do it again.
All right. Do you want the parachute to open?
I'll let you know tomorrow.
All right.
In the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We never need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do.
Predictions on who is winning mini golf. Kylie? Kylie says she's gonna win.
Not me. Is probably it.
Who's winning mini golf, Dylan?
Whoever it is deserves it.
Haley?
Hopefully anybody but Dylan.
Your own girlfriend, my dude.
Someday we will look back and our hearts will be whole.
Kylie, what are we doing?
Watching our family jump out of a plane.
We're not skydiving, guys. Level of 1 to 10, how we feeling?
On what? Nervous, anxiety,
Nervous.
excited?
Nervous.
Probably a 3.
Caitlin, 1 to 10, how nervous?
Like a 2. I'm only nervous about the plane. 2. I'm not nervous.
You've done this before. I think.
So he came down a little bit ago.
Hey, scale of 1 to 10, how nervous?
Maybe a 1.5.
Why is that thing fluttering? Have fun.
Bye, Mom!
So hard to find on one screen.
Woo!
Well,
Awesome.
why are you not smiling?
My stomach's a little weak.
Oh no.
We immediately,
What's the best?
hold on, we immediately knew you were the neon, because you were spinning around. We knew it was you. And then we knew it was Carrie because she was just coasting around, and all of a sudden she started doing stuff. We're like, that's Mom.
Yes. It's amazing.
We'll grow in numbers.
see the horizon.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies. Only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time.
All right, y'all, I am back, sunburned and all, back with my babies. And yeah, it was a great week. We had a lot of fun. And we always love our family beach trips every year. We've been doing it since I was a baby. And it's just been a blast. So thank you guys for coming along for this little itty bitty mini vlog. And as always, I will see you guys back here next time. Bye, y'all.